Good day everyone and welcome to the channel. In this short tutorial I will show you how to make a progress bar in Notion. Alright, so the first thing you want to do is type in /database. We're going to choose database inline, click on it. I'm going to give it a name. Okay, the next thing, click on the plus, then search for number. Okay, so as you can see you can choose a different style of your progress bar, so it's either going to be a number, a progress bar, it's something I'm going to make a tutorial about, and you can also make a progress bar that's a round shape, so I'm just going to click on the bar. From here you can choose a color, and now if I go ahead and type in any number under this number row, for example 55, then click anywhere with the mouse or just press enter, and as you can see we have a line that starts and ends at the very center, so that corresponds to 55, as easy as that. So if, for example, instead of a number you want to have a percentage, for example, you click on the number, edit property, number format, and from here at the very top you choose %, and as you can see instead of a usual number we have a percentage now. And of course you can also use a currency as well, so if I go to edit property, number format, and for example choose Canadian dollar, as you can see I have a currency displayed under my number row. And in the number format you can choose all the various types of currency as well as percentages, numbers with commas, usual numbers, etc. And that's it, very easy process. As usual guys, do not forget to subscribe to our channel, press the like button, click on the notification bell to not miss our new videos. I will see you in the next one.